Unlocking the secret benefits of olive and avocado oils. Olive oil and avocado oil are celebrated for their remarkable health benefits. Rich in healthy fats, these oils aid in enhancing heart health, reducing inflammation, and even potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Their widespread use in cooking and natural beauty treatments further attests to their versatility and therapeutic properties. Historically, olive oil has been a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, renowned for its health-promoting qualities. Cultures around the Mediterranean basin have used this golden elixir for thousands of years, not only as a dietary staple but also in medicines, cosmetics, and religious rituals, underscoring its integral role in their lifestyle and longevity. Avocado oil, relatively modern compared to olive oil, has quickly gained a reputation as a superfood. Extracted from the flesh of avocados, this oil is praised for its high nutrient content and health benefits. Its rise in popularity reflects growing awareness and preference for foods that support wellness and healthy living. When comparing the nutritional profiles of olive oil and avocado oil, both are high in monounsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. However, avocado oil boasts higher levels of vitamin E and potassium, whereas olive oil is a rich source of antioxidants known as polyphenol. Olive oil is particularly noted for its positive effects on heart health. Its main type of fat, oleic acid, is known to reduce inflammation and may even help lower levels of blood cholesterol and blood pressure, making it a key food for cardiovascular health. Avocado oil is gaining recognition for its cholesterol-lowering abilities. Rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, it helps reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while enhancing HDL, good, cholesterol. This balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart and preventing cardiovascular diseases. Olive oil is known for its antioxidant properties, primarily due to compounds like hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases including heart disease and cancer. Avocado oil's anti-inflammatory effects are notable, especially for those suffering from arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Its high concentration of polyhydroxy fatty acids soothes inflammation in the body, offering a natural remedy to manage and reduce pain and swelling. Research continues to explore olive oil's potential in cancer prevention. Its antioxidants and phenolic compounds have shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells in laboratory studies. Regular consumption of olive oil might be linked to lower rates of specific types of cancer, including breast and colon cancer. Avocado oil enhances nutrient absorption, particularly fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Including it in your diet can ensure that you maximize the benefits of vegetables and other healthy foods, making it an excellent addition to salads and cooked dishes for improved overall nutrition. Olive oil is renowned for its positive effects on blood pressure. Regular consumption can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This is largely due to its high content of oleic acid and polyphenol, which work to improve the elasticity of blood vessels, enhancing overall cardiovascular health. Avocado oil is celebrated for its skin-enhancing benefits, imparting a youthful glow to users. Its high levels of vitamins E and C nourish the skin, promoting elasticity and reducing inflammation. Additionally, its hydrating properties make it an excellent natural moisturizer, helping to maintain skin softness and resilience. Olive oil may play a significant role in preventing type 2 diabetes. Its healthy fats improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Regular intake of olive oil has been associated with a reduced risk of developing diabetes, thanks to its ability to modulate glucose metabolism. Avocado oil is gaining popularity for its potential to boost brain health. Rich in oleic acid and lutein, avocado oil can enhance cognitive function, particularly in memory and processing speed. These nutrients help protect brain cells from damage and improve neural functions, making avocado oil a smart choice for mental maintenance. Oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat prevalent in olive oil, is crucial for overall health. It reduces inflammation, lowers bad cholesterol levels, and has been linked to beneficial effects on genes linked to cancer. Consuming olive oil regularly can contribute to a balanced diet and a healthier lifestyle. Vitamin E is a powerhouse nutrient found abundantly in avocado oil, which serves as a vital component for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Its antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress caused by environmental factors, promoting a vibrant, youthful appearance and aiding in the prevention of premature aging. Cooking with olive oil not only enhances the flavor of food, but also contributes to a healthier lifestyle. When used in moderation, olive oil can help preserve the integrity of dishes while adding unique aromatic qualities. To reap the maximum health benefits, opt for extra virgin olive oil, which is less processed and contains more antioxidants. Integrating avocado oil into your diet is straightforward and beneficial. Its mild flavor and high smoke point make it ideal for both cooking and drizzling over salads. For a health boost, substitute avocado oil in any recipe that calls for oils, enhancing dishes with its nutrient-rich profile. Olive oil is renowned for its role in weight management, as it provides a sense of fullness and has been linked to boosting metabolic rate. Incorporating olive oil into a balanced diet can help control weight and reduce the risk of obesity-related diseases, making it a smart choice for a healthy lifestyle. Avocado oil stands out as a healthier alternative for cooking, thanks to its high smoke point and beneficial fat composition. It's an excellent choice for frying or sautéing, reducing the risk of producing harmful free radicals associated with oils that are less stable at high temperatures. Olive oil is not just a staple in kitchens for its flavor, it's also a champion of weight management. Its monounsaturated fats help in reducing appetite and controlling blood sugar levels, making it a perfect addition to a diet for those looking to shed or maintain their weight. Avocado oil offers a heart-healthy alternative to traditional cooking fats. High in monounsaturated fats, it can withstand high cooking temperatures, making it ideal for sautéing and frying. Its mild, nutty flavor also enhances the taste of dishes without overpowering them, promoting a healthier way of cooking. The versatility of olive oil extends beyond the kitchen. It's been used as a natural moisturizer and makeup remover for centuries. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, it nourishes the skin deeply, leaving it soft and hydrated while easily removing even waterproof makeup. Avocado oil is a boon for hair care, acting as a natural conditioner. It penetrates the hair shaft to moisturize and strengthen, reducing breakage and promoting hair growth. Its nutrients also help soothe the scalp, reducing dandruff and other scalp-related issues for healthier, lustrous locks. Historically, olive oil has played a crucial role in traditional medicine, especially within Mediterranean cultures. It was used to heal wounds and soothe inflammations. Today, its health benefits are backed by science, highlighting its anti-inflammatory properties and its role in protecting against various diseases. Avocado oil is celebrated for its ability to enhance digestive health, primarily due to its high content of oleic acid and dietary fiber. These components help stimulate the digestive tract, aiding in the more efficient breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients, which can alleviate bloating and discomfort. The smoke point of an oil is crucial for cooking, determining how hot the oil can get before it starts to smoke and degrade. Olive oil has a lower smoke point compared to avocado oil, making avocado oil a better option for high-heat cooking methods, ensuring meals are not only tasty but also healthier. Olive oil has been a key ingredient in promoting longevity in various cultures, especially within Mediterranean regions. Its rich composition of antioxidants and healthy fats contributes significantly to reduced mortality rates by combating chronic diseases and supporting overall cardiovascular health. The cosmetic industry has harnessed the benefits of olive oil, utilizing its hydrating and restorative properties in a variety of products. From moisturizers and hair treatments to anti-aging creams, olive oil's natural antioxidants and vitamins help improve skin elasticity and strengthen hair. In recent years, avocado oil has gained popularity in the treatment of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that occur together, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Its beneficial fats help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, making it a powerful ally in metabolic health management. DIY recipes using avocado oil for natural skincare are both effective and easy to create. Try mixing avocado oil with sugar to make a gentle exfoliating scrub. Its hydrating properties help soothe dry skin, while its nutrients promote a clearer, more radiant complexion, offering a simple yet luxurious skincare treatment. The environmental impact of olive and avocado oil production can vary significantly. Olive oil production is often praised for its relatively sustainable practices, particularly when producers adhere to traditional methods. However, the rising popularity of avocado oil has raised concerns about deforestation and water use, highlighting the need for sustainable production practices. Olive oil tasting is an art form that mirrors wine tasting. Quality and flavor notes can be discerned by observing the oil's color, smelling its aroma, and tasting a small amount. Notes of fruitiness, bitterness, and pepperiness can indicate the oil's quality and the type of olives used. The economic benefits of the olive and avocado oil industries extend beyond the agricultural sector. These industries support local economies through farming, processing, and distribution. Additionally, they contribute to global markets, with a growing demand for high-quality, healthy oils enhancing the economic landscape in producing regions. Avocado oil in baking offers a healthier alternative to traditional fats like butter. Its mild flavor and high smoke point make it ideal for baking, and it can enhance the moisture and texture of cakes and bread. Incorporating avocado oil into recipes can also add nutritional benefits, such as healthy fats and vitamins. Olive oil is often surrounded by myths, notably the belief that heating it releases harmful toxins. In reality, extra virgin olive oil is quite stable to cook with at medium temperatures, maintaining its health benefits and flavor without forming harmful compounds, debunking a common misconception about its cooking use. The global market for avocado oil is poised for significant growth. As consumers worldwide become more aware of its health benefits, such as high monounsaturated fats and skin-nourishing properties, demand is increasing. This trend is encouraging new investments in avocado farming and oil production technologies, enhancing its accessibility and variety. Olive oil is not only a staple in the kitchen, but also a popular choice in aromatherapy and massage therapies. Its soothing aroma and antioxidant properties make it ideal for enhancing relaxation and skin health, providing a natural, chemical-free option for body care and stress relief. Avocado oil is increasingly recognized in vegan diets as a rich source of nutrients otherwise difficult to obtain from plant-based sources alone. Its high content of vitamins, essential fatty acids, and minerals supports overall health, making it a valuable addition to vegan cooking and food preparation. In conclusion, the enduring health benefits of olive and avocado oils continue to make them indispensable in a variety of contexts, from culinary arts to natural beauty routines. Their versatile uses and profound health advantages ensure that both oils will remain valued elements of diet and lifestyle for years to come. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.